All right. Right. Let's we had a stop here. This is one of those situations. Let's say you come in your car, right? You put it on drive. You put your address in like I did here, and you just turn on beta. You have the wheel. We have the wheel here. We are just on the corner, the edge of the road here, right? Just turn it on, and the car will figure out this way. It's turning the wheel to the right, right? Okay, we're at stop right now. The car's not moving. I don't want to give it any acceleration. I just want to see what you would do, beta. What would you do? Come on, beta. Figure it out. Figure it out. I don't want to give it gas. Man, it just made me look bad right there. Normally it does this great. It doesn't. Okay, let me do this then. It is not moving. I will turn it off. Let me turn it off and then turn it back on. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right. Got it. That was still good. That was still good right there. You know, your car is parked, right? You put in your address. You turn beta on. And it just goes. It just goes. You know, it still amazes me. It disappoints me in a few situations, but we're going so fast. Beta, slow down. Slow down, beta. I gotta slow you down. Like right here, you see the curvature of the road, the car slowing down. The mass is 25, but it got all the way down to 17. But even right here, there's another sharp turn, and it will slow down. Oh, that was good. That was good. I got a little wide to the incoming lane, but there are no cars coming, so we were okay. But if there's a car coming, I don't know what beta would do right there. I have to make this turn here. Car's kind of sliding because the roads are a little icy there. Good job. And right here we can go. There's a car coming. Come on, beta, go. I gotta gas it. I gotta give it. Okay, I have to take control here. Cause yeah. There's a car coming, but we had enough room to go. It's been an interesting day with beta today on a new update. I can't really see the difference from when I use because I drive all over the city, right? That's how I test beta. I drive all over, so I don't drive usually the same roads consistently to the point where I memorize okay how it did there, how it did in this scenario compared to the new update what it's doing now. It's mainly based on feel. It's mainly based on feel, and so far, like just getting out of that situation before we got onto this lane or this road, it did it good. It got to the stop sign, made that sharp turn to that slippery road, made a left turn there, got to the stop sign, waited, and it was inching to get merge onto the road. We're coming up to our right turn here, right behind this car, and no signaling. Second time it did it. Okay, now it should signal. Okay, there we go. That's interesting. Usually it will signal so early. Right there, no signal. We have a yellow. No cars coming. Oh, it's doing it just like how I would do it. Oh, don't stop. Keep going, beta. Oh, it stopped. It'll go, but it stopped right there. I just kept going because I knew there was no car coming. If that was me driving, almost did it like how I would do it. Okay, gotta slow down, beta. Slow down. Too quick. They have to adjust that. That's a little uncomfortable. When the car gets into a lane, make a right turn or left turn, it just accelerates so fast. Accelerate to get to your speed that you set. Just gradually get up there, similar to how when the light turns green, when it stopped at a red light, it gradually get up to speed. That's beautiful. But when you turn lanes, when you switch either left or right turns, it just wants to just step on it like a heavy foot. We're going to do that same roundabout coming up here. Okay, let's speed up now. That same roundabout coming up here. I want to keep testing this roundabout and see if it's really just just random the way it handles it, or if I give it the same scenario, if you'll keep doing it the same way, or would it change the way it behaves. So right here, this is a good test. There are no cars in front of us, and we're going 45. I'm going to drop it to 40, but I want the car to start slowing down. Okay, we're slowing down here because it knows we're coming up to this roundabout. There's a car coming, but that car's exiting. Okay, we're good. Okay, that was not good. That was not good. We were on the right lane here, and just when we got into the roundabout, it just went towards the left lane without signaling. Nothing. That was not good. It needs help. That roundabout is that's a challenge for Beta. It's a big challenge. I am adding pressure. So annoying. But yeah, that roundabout, that's a big challenge for Beta. It needs some help with that one right there. Hopefully version 11 can fix some of the issues that I mentioned. Hopefully. Even with the AI, if they have a model where the car can learn in real time how to behave, that would change so much. That would be a game changer if you can learn to behave differently in real time, not just based on the updates that they send out and then it makes similar mistakes constantly. All right, we're coming up here to a stop. I'm going to take over because I do not like how it handles these turns here, because I've done this so many times that I know exactly what it would do. It's just not smooth.